I'm here in Enfield, and we're looking at the Maserati Ghibli project coming together. And just look at this car and look at the paintwork on it. You can see it's going together. Every component inside here has been actually restored to function like new. This is not just painting things to make them look pretty. We step into the dashboard here, and you can see there's all new wire harnessing, new connections. Out here, you can see that the instruments are all rebuilt. They're calibrated, they're refinished, they're going to look new and beautiful. This car is built just like it was built in the factory, from not a million, but thousands and thousands of component parts. To do a job of this quality, we have to rely on a bunch of different subcontractors. One person makes wire harnesses, one person rebuilds instruments, and one person stitches seat leather, and another makes carpets. And so there's always back and forth of parts, and I'd like to just show you a really cool thing here. Ray is standing next to a crate that's purpose made for sending parts on these restorations out for chroming and plating and metalwork. Can you just show what we're doing, Ray?
Sure. Is it actually, so if you come closer, you can see,
I'm right here. Yeah.
You can see how when we pack everything is packed in bubble wrap.
It's all wrapped up. Yeah.
Is that and so. And the crate is made with 2x4s, and it's made with
this is
3/8 plywood. Is that and everything is screwed together. Is that
it's a very fine crate. It's the kind of crate that a high-end restorer would build, not something you would buy at Walmart.
Our concern is that this is going to go on a truck, and it may get abused. But the thing is that the parts inside are still going to be safe.
Well, that's the thing. I mean, people wonder, how do we keep track of all the parts that get sent out and come back, and how do we know they're not going to get crushed in shipping? And this is the answer. This thing's forklift handleable. It's got compartments, and we fill it up, and off it goes. And of course, it's just priceless. I mean, we couldn't lose the thing, but we're using. Every time we can, we're using our own people and the people for the subcontractors to move things, and this is how it happens.
Absolutely, yes. Yep.